Hello viewers, you're welcome to Gold Point Party Essence channel. Today we're going to prepare Afang soup. Afang soup is a type of soup that is usually prepared by people from Cross River State and Akwa Ibom State in Nigeria. And now we're going to see the ingredients that we require to make a very beautiful Afang soup. Here we have Afang. The people from the Igbo side of Nigeria calls it Okazi. This is water leaf, already washed and cut. The protein we're going to use today, we have 4 types of protein. The first one is beef, a little bit of red meat. The next is kanda. People call it pomo. Beside the pomo, we have the intestine of cow meat. Then the next protein is shaki. Here we have crayfish and BALA. BALA are small fishes. One ingredient that is very important in making a good and tasty Afang soup is periwinkles. Locally, it is called isam. Some people prefer to use the one that is unshelled, but usually I like the one that has shells. But today I'm going to use an unshelled one to make the soup. On this bowl, I have my stock fish. Here also I have dry fish for making the soup. Particularly, this is mangala. This is our palm oil. Palm oil is required in enough quantity to make Afang soup. This is our cubes. You just use a little part of it to make the soup. Here we have onions already washed and cut. This is salt and this is fresh pepper. Finally, we have our swallow for today that we use and eat the Afang soup. And this is semolina. I love semolina. At times I use semovita. We'll start making our soup now. Firstly, we're going to boil our protein because it's the first thing we're going to boil. We'll add our tall, our pomo, and the intestine. We'll leave our beef because it doesn't usually take time to boil. The pot is burning, we'll add a little water. We're going back to check our meat. You know, the intestine of the cow is usually very tough. At the next fire point, I'm going to make swallow. And remember, our swallow today is semolina. This is the quantity of water I'm going to use to make 2 kg of semolina. I'm still waiting for the water for the swallow to get ready. I want to add my stock fish. You know, it takes a little time to soften, particularly if you buy the cod. So you put it early enough, just the stock fish, so that it will cook alongside the meat. I'm going back to add our beef. You know, I told you that we will add the beef later because it's not as tough as the intestines and the pomo that we have been cooking. I'm going to check whether the water has boiled to make the semolina. I'm using supreme semolina. This is vegetable oil. Some people, when they want to make semovita or semolina, would like to add just a drop. Just look at me, a drop of vegetable oil. This will make the semovita not to gum so much on the body of the frying pan and also to have a more smooth consistency. I've started turning. Semolina is sweet. It's pure white when you make your food. It's just pure white. Add and turn bit by bit. Remember not to make it to be too hard or too soft. I hope you like the look of the semo. It's so eye-catching. Allow it to get done at least for like 10 minutes so that it can last for some time. You can even eat the semo you make tomorrow. If it remains, you don't need to throw it away. I want to pick up periwinkle, isam, and I'm going to put it in the pot to boil with the stock. Wow, the smell of the stockfish is so exciting. The flavor is coming out. Our meat is finally ready, and we're going to transfer it into another pot and we'll start cooking proper. I'm going to pick up our palm oil. Remember to buy palm oil that is fresh, good to taste, one that is not so thick, maybe has a lot of fiber in it because of cholesterol. I'm adding my palm oil because I intend to fry my vegetable. I'll pick up my onion, add to the oil. You do everything very fast so that the oil will not change color. Put your vegetable, and my vegetable is what leaf. It's a lot of oil. You keep frying the vegetable, the water leaf is almost ready, and I'm going to pour my stock. I'm going to pour my meat. Remember, it has a boroko in it, and isam also. The periwinkle is also inside it. Wow, this is good. Viewers, I hope you're enjoying this cooking. Remember, I did not add my fish while I was adding my stock fish. I didn't want my fish to scatter so much, so I can add my dry fish now. My fresh pepper. Fresh pepper. Be careful the amount of fresh pepper to add. Some pepper is more pepperish than others. So that will not pepper your mouth, so that you can enjoy the food. Even children can eat it. I hope you're enjoying the look of the soup. It's coming up. This is our crayfish and our BALA. You need a lot of it to make this soup tasty. You require enough ingredients to make a good soup. Viewers, I like to leave my soup to be on fire for a period of time, because when you cook your soup for some time, all the ingredients will soak very well into the soup, and the soup will come out finer than you expect. But when you hurriedly cook your soup, it tastes like, it wouldn't taste the African way, the Nigerian way. It will just taste like what a little girl has done. But when real mothers cook, when they cook, they take time in making their soup. And when it comes out, it becomes very superb. The family will eat it and they will be happy. If you have visitors, they will also be happy. I'm now adding salt. adding my little cubes. Not so much, because we already have enough BALA and crayfish. You don't need so much cubes. Good to taste. We'll be ready in a few minutes. We're going to add our Afang okazi leaves. And we're going to add. And I already grinded it. And the okazi that I am using is the one from Cross River State. It's an Akwa Ibom state. Is usually better. It does not have a bitter taste. You can find some okazi from some areas, they are bitter to taste. When you cook the soup, it will be having a little bitter taste. It won't be so nice. I want to add a little more oil, because it requires oil to make it fine. That's our soup, and it's ready. Viewers, I hope you have enjoyed our cooking. Keep liking our channel, keep subscribing, keep commenting. We're ready to hear your comments. May God bless you for partnering with us. May God bless you for being a friend of this channel. Thank you and goodbye.